That's awesome. I found somebody that's actually watches my YouTube channel. Hey there, buddy. There's a cockatoo. This is another one of my favorite birds in the world. I used to have a pink one. Yeah, I loved it. Alright, I see a snake over here on somebody. You gotta go check out the snake. Awesome. That's a red tail?
That's a boa constrictor.
A red tail boa? Or what? Oh, it's not a red tail. What kind of boa is that? What kind of boa is that? Just a regular boa. I've probably never seen a regular boa before. I always thought they all had red tails. I'll be. Well, how about that? That's awesome. What do you got here?
A little anaconda.
A little anaconda? It's not a normal green. It's a different morph.
Ready for me to take them? No.
What morph is that? What type of anaconda is that? Can't say I've ever seen one of them either. Really docile.
It's a yellow.
Oh, it's a yellow. Okay. I guess I have seen them just in a bigger form. That's nice. Thank y'all. They'll hug you forever. It's a yellow anaconda, baby. Alright, let me see. This is a regular boa. Not a red tail or anything. Unless they're calling it a Colombian common, maybe. Alright, here's a tarantula. Tarantula. Everybody's got to love some tarantula. What's around here? What's in these boxes? What all's in here? What's in these boxes? Oh, there's alligators? Oh, can we see some alligators? Hey, buddy. Y'all got alligators? Can we see some? Huh? Can we see some alligators? Oh, there's one right there.
Yeah, I paid you come in for $3. That's these people's best.
Oh, you got to pay $3 to come see an alligator?
They'll pull them out.
Yeah, I just want to see them on film. A big one, where is it? I'm missing stuff. Alright, let me see. I gotta cover alligators, people, because I love alligators. Where's the alligators at? There's supposed to be a big alligator somewhere.
Okay, the big alligator.
There's a baby one right there. There's a boa. There's a rainbow boa that you love. Let me see here. Look, the baby, look, everybody hold the baby alligators. They said they had a big alligator over here somewhere. Huh? Where? Where?
He already walked around with it.
Is it the same guy? Alright, it's the same guy. When I get him to take it back out, I'll cover that again for you guys. I'm going to finish covering the rest of this piece over here. We're 35 minutes in, and then I'm going to actually try to enjoy this show as well. I'm going to make this in a two-part series, or two parts of this show actually, or maybe not. Yeah, no, I might just make it one part, put it all together, but I can only have an hour of YouTube video time at a time. I think that's about covering everything, really. There's a bunch of supplies. I wanted to cover the alligator. All right, we're 36 minutes in on this video. Got all kinds of stuff, snakes and stuff. What should we do? Well, let's get back to the alligator section, because I've covered the whole thing. All right, people, we're going to go see some alligators.
Testing, 1, 2, 1, 2, testing.
All right. Alright, I'm going to cut for right now and I'll start recording again. Give me a second. We're rolling right now.
Hey, welcome to Reno's Reptiles. I'm Tim Reno and this is Sweetie the alligator. we're fixing to put him back up and show you some other stuff we have.
All right, can he touch the alligator? Can he touch him and pet him? That's the first alligator you ever get to touch? All right, that is awesome. Absolutely amazing. Thank you so much. Oh, everybody loves alligators, and they're so sweet and calm. All right, we're gonna go box to box with
that was Sweetie the alligator. In here we've got an empty tote. We're missing something.
All right, empty tote.
There's actually a yellow anaconda, which she has.
Oh, okay, I covered that.
And then she's got the red-tailed boa, which is normally in that tote.
Okay. What do we have? Come on, Mikey.
One-eyed Willie, he's actually a one-eyed albino Burmese python.
Awesome, I caught him at the door.
So, yep. He's been floating around.
Yep, he's an awesome animal. I love him.
This is about a 13, 14 albino reticulated python.
Nice. Yeah, I have a lavender albino tiger.
We have a
10-foot long, beautiful.
Yep.
Sunshine on my shoulder makes me happy. Pendle.
Some tarantulas.
Yes.
Bearded dragon.
Bearded dragon.
These are just some smaller versions of the beardies.
All right. You want to pet a beardie? You want to pet a bearded dragon? Oh. Yep. I love to bring my son to these things so he gets to associate with stuff that he never would get to see elsewhere, you know? It's amazing. All right, what do we got in here? Uh-oh.
This is Frank. He is an Argentina black and white tegu.
Wow, Mikey loves those. We went to the Lake Charles Reptile Expo and he couldn't get enough of the one that was there. There you go, Mikey. That was the thing you were loving on in Lake Charles, remember? Oh, that tegu. That's so sweet. So sweet. All right, we got one more. Now we got a couple more boxes. You got boxes over here too, huh? All right. Reno's Reptiles got it going on, people. Be sure and check them out.
It's a green iguana.
There's a green iguana.
She was a rescue. She actually had burns on her.
Oh.
We've had her for over a year now, and she's doing a lot better.
Yep, I see how she's scarred up. That's amazing. She's having a great comeback, huh?
Yes, she is.
Nice.
Let's see. Baby gators.
Baby alligators. Come here, Mikey. All right, he can touch the baby gators too, or what?
Would you like to hold one?
You want to hold a baby gator for your first time?
You're going to take that hand there, your right hand.
He's going to show you how to hold it.
You want to try to hold him? You don't have to. Okay, you don't have to.
Oh, you don't want to? Well, we paid to hold him. You don't want to hold him? He's safe. He's safe.
Even when they're this big, they already have 80 teeth.
Well, he won't want to hold him now. I love it. All right. $3 to hold a gator. He don't want to hold a gator. My poor baby. That's okay though. Oh, wow. Don't hold that.
No.
Yes, that is absolutely amazing. I love it. This is what Bowser off of Mario is.
Yeah.
And what is this that's not for sale?
This is just a wild caught gray rat snake.
Wild caught gray rat snake?
Yeah, we caught him 2 days ago.
From Alabama?
Yep.
Awesome. We have one also similar to that. They got some pink in them. That's amazing, isn't it?
Yeah, these actually can breed with corn snakes.
Yes.
So you get reds and pinks, and we actually have a black rat snake at the house that has orange in it from interbreeding with a corn snake.
I caught one the other day in Vineland, Alabama that had influence from a Texas rat snake. I kid you not. So somebody had to get some Texas rat snakes. Well, I appreciate everything.
No problem.
What else you got?
Just some little guys over here.
Just little balls and stuff like that.
Yeah,
what is that in here?
This is actually a unique one.
I think the turtle's trying to escape over there.
Let me check out this unique thing.
This is a what you call a paradox Burmese python.
Oh.
So
I'm guessing that's not for sale, huh?
No, actually none of these are for sale.
Paradox Burmese python. That is awesome. It's not a trait that you can pass on to another animal, is it?
No, it's just one that's this is one of its siblings. So they either came out albino patternless, white or green patternless.
This is one of my dreams right
here. And then that was one of the siblings from this clutch.
Wow.
And that was the one paradox.
That is absolutely amazing. I've never seen berms that look like that. But Haven't been around very many of them since the old days. Well, thank you, buddy, for everything. I appreciate it. You sure you don't want to hold alligator, right? All right.
You guys have a good day.
You too, buddy. All right, people, that is Bird&reptile Reptiles. Sweet people from my hometown, Florida. Be sure to check them out. And now, Edward Badass Tyndall is going to enjoy this show with my family. My family. So much peace and love and happiness to all you people watching this. I'm going to go mingle with the people because there's a lot of people who watch my channel and the show must go on. Being a celebrity, I can't just stop doing what people love because when I have people depending on me to bring them awesomeness, I must bring them awesomeness. Ain't that right, baby? Ain't that right, son? Can we get one of these? How about one of those? Stay tuned, people. Edward Tyndall out for now. Let me see. Oh, okay. What is it called?
This is Jasmine.
Jasmine?
She is a Java macaque.
A Java
Macaque.
macaque. Look at that, Mikey.
Yep, she's 7 months old.
Oh.
And this is Ivy. She's a rhesus macaque. She's 13 months old.
Ivy.
And that's about how big they'll get.
That is amazing. They're not like a capuchin, are they?
Not even related to
Not even
no.
related.
No.
That is awesome. I don't see very many monkeys in my life, but I love them. That is so cute. Thank you so much for sharing this. I got a lot of fans that enjoy this, and
Sure.
I appreciate that.
No problem.
We brought a sugar glider over this.
She wanted to drink.
I had those, but I'm not nocturnal. I discovered that very quickly.
Oh, look at that.
When they had
Look
me
at that
up
tail.
all night. What's that?
Absolutely.
A macaque.
Macaque.
How are they? Pretty good.
They're pretty good. Look at it. It looks like a little human.
How old is
7 months.
where'd you get it from?
Texas.
All right. Told y'all if I found anything else special, I had to show y'all. So stay tuned.